Ma'am, am I audible?
Sir, once again.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, start பண்ணுங்க.
Yeah,
Good evening, students. In this session, we are going to learn about the topic of light. 6th standard and 7th standard, 8th standard students are think assembled here. In our day-to-day life, we use different kinds of energies. Yes, we used different kinds of energies. What are the energies? Like light energy, and then heat energy, and kinetic energy, and solar energy, and then sound energy, like that. So these are all the energies. We are using different kinds of energies in our life. Okay. So in day-to-day life, we without these kind of energies, we can't use each and every electrical and electronics materials. We need these kinds of energy to work that materials. Okay, yeah. So in this session, we are going to studied some details about the light energies. Okay, yeah. So I think, do you know the concept of law of conservation of energy? You know that because the lower class onwards, we studied about the law of conservation of energy. What is that? Law of conservation of energy means law of conservation of energy. What is that? Yes, the energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. The energy can be neither created nor be destroyed. So this is the main concept. This is called as law of conservation of energy. The energy can be neither created nor be destroyed. How it is changed? Yes, one energy form is changed into another form. So energy, that heat energy is changed into electrical energy. In this way, the energy transformation is done. One energy is transferred into another energy. The energy can be neither created nor be destroyed. One form of energy is changed into another form of energy. Okay, yeah. So this is the basic concept. Okay. So the energy transformation means one energy is changed into another energy. Solar energy is changed into electrical energy. The electrical energy is changed into mechanical energy. So in this way, the energy is transferred from one place to another place. Okay. So in this session, we are going to learn some properties of light energies. Okay. Yeah. So how is the light is created? Light is a form of energy, is it? Light is a energy only. The light is a form of one energy. So the light is travel in a straight line. What are the properties? The first property is light travel in a straight line only. Okay, yeah, in a straight line. Just travel in a straight path only. Okay. And then a light is reflected in polished surface. Okay. Light is reflected in polished surface. Okay. Yeah. So When the surface is smooth, definitely the light is reflected. Okay, yeah, this is the second main property of the light. And then, which is the very good polished article, that is mirror. Okay, yeah. So mirror is the very good example for the polished surface. So mirror is a optical device. Okay, it is a optical device with the polished surface. When you imagine this is the mirror, so this is the mirror means when the light is fall on the surface means definitely it will be reflected to another side. That is the nature of the mirror. That is the property of the mirror. Okay, yeah. So that mirror have a plane or curved surface. Plane means flat surface, or curved means like this. Okay, yeah. So this is the curved surface or plane surface. These two kinds the mirror is the nature of the mirror. The plane mirror from the perfect image of an object. Okay, yeah. Plane mirror create the perfect image of the object. When you show different kinds of object in that plane mirror means the image is very clear. Okay, so how the mirrors are classified? There are classified into two types. Okay, one is the mirror means there are main two divisions, that is the types. There are divided into two types. One is plane mirror, another one is curved mirror. Okay, yeah. This is the two major division of mirrors, plane mirror and then curved mirror. And the subdivision of the curved mirror is spherical shape of mirror, and then cylindrical shape of mirror, and then parabolic shape of the mirror, and then ellipsoid. So these are all the divisions and kinds of the curved mirror, parabolic and then ellipsoid. So these four types curved mirrors. Okay, so the mirror is divided into two types. One is plane mirror, another one is curved mirror. Subdivision of the curved is spherical. The types of curved is spherical, cylindrical, parabolic, and then ellipsoid mirror. Okay, so next the spherical mirrors are the form of the curved mirror only. One side of the mirror, generally the mirror means one side is polished. When it is polished, yes, the help of the silver or aluminum coating. So when the mirror is polished with the help of silver, okay, yeah, or aluminum coating, AgRAN. Okay, so one side of the mirror is silver and another side of the mirror is called the reflected surface. Okay, yeah, the reflected surface is plain. The another portion of the mirror is coated by AgRAN. Okay, silver or aluminum coating in the another side of the mirror, opposite side without coated part is called as the reflected surface. Okay, so now we are next one, we are going to learn some details about the concave and convex mirror. Concave mirror and then convex mirror. Okay, first one, concave mirror. So the shape of the concave mirror is like that. Okay, yeah, the concave mirror is like this, which is the portion of the reflecting surface, means the inside part is the reflective surface of concave mirror. This is the reflective surface of concave mirror. So this is the shape of the concave mirror. The reflecting portion is inside of that. Okay. So the reflection of light occurs at this concave surface. This is called as concave surface. When the light is reflected, when that portion means that portion is called as reflected portion. So the reflection of the light occurs on the surface. It is called as concave mirror. Okay. So what is the real imaginous occur in this place means the mirror that magnify the object placed close them. Okay, yeah. What are the images we get from this concave mirror means magnify the object. Okay. The size of the object is large. Okay. So, when it is used, example of that concave mirror means makeup mirror. Okay. We are using the makeup purpose, different kinds of shapes. So that kind of mirror is concave mirror. So concave mirror means the reflection of light occurs at this point. So the concave pose, so it is called as concave mirror. So the mirror magnify the object placed close. So placed close to them. So example of the concave mirror is makeup mirror. So this is the main details about the concave mirror. So another one is convex mirror. So the convex mirror shape is like this. Okay, this is convex mirror. The shape of the convex mirror. Where is the reflecting surface? The reflecting surface is here. Okay. The bended portion is called as reflective surface. In convex mirror, this is the reflective surface. How it is reflected? The reflection of the light occurs in the convex portion. It's called as convex mirror. Okay. The reflection when the light is passed in that area. In this area, the light is passed means the light is definitely reflected in this area. So this is called as reflective portion. So the reflection of the light occurs at the convex portion. So it is called as the convex mirror. Okay. The imagine formed by the mirror is smaller. Okay. The image of the object is smaller. So where we used this mirror? Yes, these kind of mirror is used in rear viewing purpose. Okay. Rear viewing purpose. In our vehicle, we are use the convex mirror for the purpose of a rear viewing purpose. So, convex mirror is the this size, in this shape of the mirror. This is called as convex mirror. The reflection of light occurs at the convex surface is called as the reflective surface and then convex mirror. So the image formed by this mirror is smaller than the object. So the image of the object is very small. So we can use the convex mirror in rear viewing purpose only. So is that clear? What is the mirror? What are the kinds of mirror? And then major part is convex and concave mirror. How the convex and concave is the reflective property is applicable in this area. Okay. What is reflection? Is there any doubt, students? What are the details? What is the energy? What are the different kinds of energy? And then what is light energy? And then how does it? So Next one is reflection. What is reflection? Yes, we studied the different kinds of mirror, that is concave and convex, like that. So the property of the mirror is mainly reflection. Reflection is the main property of the mirrors. Though the bouncing back at the light rays at the fall on the smooth shiny surface, when the light is passed in this area, means definitely it will be reflected. Okay, so the bouncing back of the light rays fall on the smooth and shiny surface. This is the shiny and then smooth soft surface also. So in that manner, that is occur the reflection is occur in the soft and smoothie surface only. So bouncing back means the light is passed on this area, immediately it will be reflected into another part. So the bouncing back of the light rays has fall on the smooth and polished surface is called as reflection. When the light is reflected means that is called as reflection. So reflection involves the two rays. What are the two rays mainly? So just you imagine, this is the smooth surface. When I pass the light here, so this ray is called as incident ray. What is that? Incident ray. When the light is passed through the smooth surface, it is called as incident ray. Immediately the light is reflected the opposite side. So this is called as reflected ray. When the light is reflected to the opposite part, means that kind of ray is called as reflected ray. Okay, yeah. So this is called as incident ray. This is reflected ray. When I draw one straight line in this part, so this is called as normal. What is that? This is called as normal. Okay, so this is the polished surface like mirror. Okay, when I pass the light in the part of the portion that mirror means, so that ray is called as incident ray. Immediately the light is reflected to the opposite side. So this ray is called as reflected ray. When I draw one line in the center part, means that is called as normal. So this angle is called as I, incident angle. This is called reflected angle is R. Okay. Incident ray is the light ray in the medium falling on the shining surface. That is called incident ray. Reflected ray. After falling the surface, the ray refracts into the same medium. So this ray is called as the reflected ray. Understand, pa? So when I draw the center part of the line, means this is called as normal. An imaginary line in perpendicular way to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence. It is called as normals. Okay. So how the light is reflected? What are the rays occur in the reflection? There are two rays are occur. One is incident ray, another one is reflected ray. Okay. So is that clear? Okay. What is law of reflection? The relation between the incident ray and then reflected ray and the normal is given as the law of reflection. What are the relation between these three? One is incident ray, another one is reflected ray, and third one is normal. What is the relation between these three? Just we frame law of reflection. Okay, yeah. The first law of reflection is nothing but the first, there are only 2 points. Law of reflection means there are 2 points only. The incident ray incident ray and then reflected ray and the normal. So, at the point of incidence, that is the normal. So, all lie in the same plane only. This is the first point. Okay, yeah. First point of law of reflection is nothing but the incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lying in the same only or same plane. Okay, yeah. So this is the first law of reflection. Please, once again, I'm going to read this. The incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane only. Okay. Next one is the second point. The angle of incidence and then that is I. Angle of incidence is called as I, that is R. And then are always equal. Both are angle of incident and the angle of reflection are always equal. This is the second point of law of reflection. Angle of incident and the angle of reflection are always equal. The first point, incident ray, reflected ray, and normal ray at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane only. Okay, yeah. So just going to draw once again here. This is incident ray. This is reflected ray. Just I am going to draw one line. This is called normal. So these two, this is called as incident ray. This is reflected ray. This is normal. Both side of angle are same. I and R. Both angles are same. Okay, yeah. Though incident ray, reflected ray, and then normal all in that same single plane. That is the mirror. This is the first point of law of reflection. Second point of law of reflection, both angles are same. This is the main concept of law of reflection. Okay. What is light and then what is mirror, how the mirror is reflected, what are the kinds of reflection, and then how the reflection is occur, what are laws of reflection. Okay, now I'm going to share some pictures. So this is convex lens, this is concave lens. Okay, yeah, this is convex and then this is concave. Just you imagine how the light is passed through here, how the light is reflected. So this is the picture of convex and then concave lens. How the reflection. With the help of the simulation, we are going to understand the reflection, how the light is bent, how the light is bent. So with the help of the simulation, we are going to understand how the light is passed through, how the light is reflected, and then what are the different kinds of materials also we are having. So one is the torch light and then the medium. There are two medias. So different kinds of medias, air, water, glass, like that. Okay, yeah. And then above part and then below part also we are having different medias, air, water, glass, like that. With the help of the medias, we are going to understand the concept of the reflection. Okay, so first the light has the different properties, reflections. Okay, reflection means how we are having different kinds of materials like, so air and then water, glass. These three medias we are going to do that experiment. So just I'm going to press the light, red button. So the light is passed. Okay, the light is passed. So when the light is passed through that smooth and soft surface. So the light is reflected to the opposite side. So this is called as incident ray. So this is called as reflected ray. The center part of the line is called as normal. Both the angles are same. With the help of the protector, just I am going to check this angles. Both the angles are same, 60 degree only. So the law of reflection is right. Yes, both incident ray, reflected ray, and the center part of normal, all this in the single plane, and both angles are same. The two laws are applicable in this area. Understand, students? What is the incident ray? What is the reflected ray? When I draw the center part, just perpendicular line, imaginary line is called as the point of incidence. Both angles are same in that same degree. Okay, yeah. So next, I am going to choose the light passes through the air. This is called as the air medium. So just in above part, I choose air medium, and then below part I choose the water medium. Okay, now I'm going to measure the intensity of the light. So with the help of this machine, I am going to measure the incidence. Yes, the incident ray intensity. Intensity means nothing but that power. Okay. So the intensity of the incident ray is 100%. Okay. What is the reflected ray in air is just 5.29%. So in air medium, the light is reflected means the incident is very low. In water medium, see, wow, 94.71. The intensity is in water medium, that is 94.71. So the intensity is vary from one medium to another medium. Okay, yeah. In like that manner, just I'm going to change the medium above part air into water. So water medium, there is no changes. The light is passed through the water. There is no changes in the intensity also. So the light is passed through the water medium to water medium means the intensity is no changes. Okay, yeah. The power of the intensity is no change in that both part. The both part I choose water medium means the intensity is same. Okay. Next one, I choose the glass part. Above part is in glass and then below part is in water. The incident ray intensity is, there is no changes in that incident ray. Always it is in the 100%. Water medium, below is the water medium. So 98.16%. And then above 1.84, that is glass. When I pass the ray, that is the incident ray, the light is passes through the water, the light is reflected to the glass part means in that glass medium, the intensity, the power of the light is very low. Okay. Next one, I choose water medium, and water medium to glass medium. How the light is reflected? So here the light is from water, and then above part is in water, and then below part is in glass. Already we know the glass part, there is no changes because it is very smooth and soft surface. The power of the intensity is the no changes at all because the incident ray power is 100%. In glass part, the light is reflected. So light is reflected in that very high power. So the intensity also 98.87%. In water medium, 1.13 only. Okay. So it is the very big difference to the intensity. Air to air. How is the difference? There is no difference. Air and air, both medias are same, means there is no changes. The above part and the below part, I choose the air medium. The intensity is no change. So intensity, the light power is no changes, only 100% only. So this is the introduction part of this area. What is the once again, what is the incident ray and then what is reflected ray, how the angles are formed, so how the law of reflection is applicable. These details are learned from the first part of the simulation. Okay, yeah. In second part, yes, we are having different kinds of glass prisms, triangle and then square, circle, semicircle, like that. Index of the refraction is air, medium, water, and then glass. The light passes in three types in single line. This is beam, and third one is in dark media. With the help of these properties, we are going to learn how the light is travel in the prism. So this is the triangle prism. When I choose the just different kinds of areas, air, water, glass. Yes, this is glass prism, means the light is travel in a straight line only. This is the first property we studied. How the line is traveled in glass prism. The line is travel in a straight line only. Okay. And then water, the light is just deviated in water medium. Okay, yeah. So I am choosing the triangle prism. The light is travel in a water medium. The light is reflected, just deviated in this area. Change the air part. So totally the light is reflected in that opposite part. Okay. So this is the difference. Okay. Just I am choosing a beam of light. A beam of light means how the lines are differ. So in air medium and then water medium and then glass. So the same way, there is no changes. Okay, a single ray or the beam of light means there is no changes. Can visibly know the light passes through the prisms in this area. Very good. And then I'm choosing the dark media. So in dark part, in air, the light is reflected. Wow, what is this? Different colors we can see in this place. When I pass the light in the prism in dark area, just we can observe the VIBGYOR. So the VIBGYOR is formed in this area. So this is very clear. So this is the first property of the prism. Okay. When just I pass the light through the prism and the reflected rays shows the different colors. Sure? Can you observe the students? Yes, is that very clear, I think? Okay. Water medium, there is no changes, and air medium, we can see the clear light rays. The beam of color rays is observed when I pass that light. Glass means there is no changes at all. Okay. Now I change the shape. In square shape, I choose. I'm choosing the square part. In glass medium, the single line is travel in that straight line. The light is travel in a straight line in glass part. And then I change the medium, that is water medium. The light is passed in that same way. This is the speciality when I choose the, when I'm taking the square like prism means when I pass the light in that part means the light is travel in that straight line. The difference medium also, there is no changes, there is no deviation, there is no reflection at all when I'm choosing the square. So this is the special character of the piece. Just I'm change the dark medium. So the light is also travel in that same part, and then beam light means there is no changes. Single light, beam light, dark medium, and then different ways means induction of refraction, different passes means the light is travel in the straight line only. There is no reflections. Okay, yeah. So next one, I'm choosing the circle. So how it is nice, how the light is reflected in this area. Yes, when I'm taking the circle shape of the prism, the light is reflected in this manner in air part. The water medium, how the light is reflected. Yes, so there is some changes. So glass medium, there is no changes. A beam of light passes or single ray is passes through the prism. There is no changes. And dark part, the light is travel in a straight line. So next in water medium. So water medium, the light is deviated, and then air, so lightly deviated. Okay, yeah. So this is the characteristics of this circle shape of prism. Next, I am choosing that semicircle. Same manner. The same part of the circle part, that semicircle also. Single ray means in straight path and air medium, water medium, and then glass prism, the line is travel in the straight way. In dark part, okay, yeah. So this is the character of the semicircle prisms. Just I pass through this, how the reflection is going on. Choosing the glass part or the water medium means, so just see this reflections also. And then water part, air part, just time changes here also. There are some medias here. In air part, the reflection, how the reflection is occur in this area. So how it is deviated, how the light is passed in that area. Okay, I'm choosing this shape. How the light is reflected. See, the light is passed in that above part. Okay, so how the above part? Yes, someone asking that question, just they raise the hand. Is there any doubt? Just you please type it. So the light is passes above that medium. Okay, yeah, this is the nature of this shape. Okay, when I'm choosing this, just I'm changing the part, water medium and air medium. Okay, so how the light is passed in that area? In dark place, the light is travel in straight line only. Okay, yeah. In second part, what we learn, how the prisms are created. When I pass the light through the prism, how the light is passed, how the light is reflected, how the waves are created. Okay. Next one is some more tools. What are the tools? So the angles also calculated, and the speed and time also, intensity also identified in this part. There are 3 parts in that simulation. First part, we learned what is incident ray, and then angle, what is reflected ray, like that. Second part, prism, how the prisms are how the prisms are reflected and then pass the light. In this third part, we are having the different kinds of properties like speed and time and then intensity also. Just I pass the light here. Now I'm going to identify the incident. Already we know that how the intensity or change in air part and then glass medium also. How the speed, time, how the time calculation. When I pass the light, just you see how the wave, it is in that same, there is no changes. Okay, yeah, in air medium to glass medium, when I pass the light means the wave is in same part. That is, there is no changes, there is no variation in this part. See here, going to touch the water medium. Here it is. There are 2 lines are visible in this part. One is an air medium, another one is in water medium. The speed is normal. There is no variation of both part. Just I'm going to change this medium. This is glass part. See that there is no line here because I'm changing that medium of this glass part. Glass into glass, there is no changes. Just I change here glass into water. So how it is? There is no line, only one. The speed is normal showing. And then air part, air medium to water medium. How is the speed? The speed is changed here. And then I'm going to, time. This is the time's observation. This is speed part. How the speed? How we can see the speed of this light here? The speed of the light is 0.75 C. So the speed of the light in the water medium is 0.7 C, and then air medium 1.00 incident ray, and then reflected part, the speed is 1.00. Same, there is no changes in the speed. So that speed of that light ray is same in above part, and then water medium, the speed of the light is slightly differ compared to the incident ray. So just change the medium, water medium. Okay, the below part is water 0.75, and the above part is also water medium. This is also 0.75. This in this speed, the light is pass through one part to another part. Okay, so the intensity also identified, and the time. The time means how the light is passed through, how the time taken of that light rays. And then next one is speed, how the variations are differ from one to another part. We can identify that speed. Mystery means different kinds, apart that water, air, like that, 0.75 and then 0.41. The speed is very low in mystery area. Okay. Glass part, the speed is 0.67 and then 0.75 in that water medium. Water to glass medium, when I pass that light means the speed of the light is changed. So in this manner, the speed is also changes. Here, this is water and this is glass part. So see the difference between the time taken. Okay, yeah. So the time is understood in the help of that wave. And then intensity also identified. How the intensity is 100 only. And the incident ray is always in 100. And then glass medium means 98.87. And then reflected ray is just 1.13. So with the help of these properties, we learn how the intensity is calculated, how the time is calculated, how the speed is calculated. Just I'm going to show the angle of the incidence. So this is incident ray, this is reflected ray, this is normal. Okay, so the incident, reflected, and the normal or in the same plane, both angles are also same. So we can identify that with the help of this property. We identify the correct angle of the incidence also. Okay, so with these three parts. Okay, there are three parts in the simulation. One is an introduction part, that is the incident ray, and then reflected ray, and then normal. And then prisms, with the help of the prism, how the light is passed through that, and then how the tools, how we can identify the speed and intensity and the time also. Okay, so I think it is very clear, students. Okay, shall we move that next simulation? I'm going to show the one more simulation. Yes, I think you know about the simple experiment. So this is the side way. Yes, when I take one glass bowl and put a pencil into that bowl, means how it is look it. Yes, the pencil through the beaker means the appearance is definitely changed, the above part and the inside part also. When I'm taking one glass beaker with filled water, just I put one pencil into that part, means how the pencil is show. The slightly the pencil is bended in inside part of the glass bowl. How it is passed? Because actually the light is traveled through that air to the water. Water is the denser medium. Okay, so air is the rarer medium. So light is travel from the rarer medium to denser medium. So in this concept, the help of Snell's law of refraction, we can know the concept how the refraction is occur. Okay, refraction concept is identified and understood with the help of the simulation. So when I take one glass beaker and just I pass put the pencil, or in the simulation, just I pass the light into that glass bowl. So the light is travel rarer medium. This is the air medium. This is the water medium, means the light is travel to rare medium to denser medium. Water is a denser, air is a rare medium. So the light travel from the denser to rarer, means definitely it is deviated. So in that manner, the bending portion of the pencil, just we can see that bowl, means the pencil is bended into that water part. How it is possible? Means the light is travel to rarer to denser medium. So just the imaginary, when I take the pencil, means the pencil is in straight path only. There is no bended part. But inside of the bowl, it is bended. So this is the incoming ray. Okay. So this is the incoming ray. This is the angle of emergence. The light is reflected and then emergence ray is the partial. Just we observe from this part, means, so what is emergent ray? Show the values, means this is the incoming light. How the refractive index, the refraction is done in this area. So this is the refractive index. This is the angle of emergence. The light is emerged in this part. So this is called as angle of emergence. Angle of incidence is 67.21 degree. Angle of refraction is, that is refractive index is 1.52, that is 37.34. When I pass the light into that part, this is a glass bowl filled with water, means the light is passed through this area, means this is the incident ray of light, this is the emergent part, this is the reflected part. So this is the refractive index, that is a refractive angle. Okay, next one, when I change it, means this is top view. So this is the top view. The light is passed through that glass bowl. So the light ray is bended like that. The pencil, how the pencil is bended in this part, same part, the light is also bended in this area. But incident ray and the emergent ray both are same. But in that medium only, the light is bended. Okay, this is the main concept. So the incident ray and the emergent ray show the normal angles. These are all same. 49 only. The angle of incoming ray also 49. Angle of emergent ray also 49. But the inside of the glass bowl, this is the differ. This part is only bended. How it is passed means, this is the concept of the Snell's law of reflection. So refraction means how that when light travels from one medium to another medium, generally it will be bent. Okay, yeah. So the law of refraction gives us a way of the predicting amount of bond. So this is the Snell's law. Though lateral displacement, how it is, the displacements means same, the incident ray and then emergence, and then show the pins. Just I going to pin part means these 4 pins are in same line only. Okay, just I twisted this area. Just I rotate it. See here, in side view. So adjust the angle of incident means that is just I rotate this part. So it is turned in this area. Okay, yeah. How it is possible? The angle of the incident. When I pass the light in both sides, so the angle of incident and the angle of emergence is differ. Okay, yeah. So this is the side part. So just I rotate it means, see here, the light is rotated. So this simulation is the concept of Snell's law. Okay, students. So today we learned what are the details, what is light, and then how the light is reflected, what are the energies, and then angle of incident, the reflection concept also, how the reflection concept is occur, the angle of incident, the angle of reflection, and the angle of perpendicular line, normal also in that same plane. These details are we learned in the session. Is there any doubt? Means please ask me. So this is doubt session. Is there any doubt? Okay, so just you go through the topics, what is light energy, and then how what are the properties of light, as well as what are the properties, the main properties, the reflection only, how the reflection is occurred, how the light is bended. Okay, yeah. So just you go through the syllabus in your book part also. Is there any doubts? You please ask me. Is there any doubt? You please raise your hand or emoji. Is there any doubts? Just you raise your hand or just you put an emoji. Just I'll read that concept, or just you type as a chat. I think you understood what are the different kinds of mirror: concave mirror, convex mirror, how the concave and convex mirrors function, what is the property of that. The reflection of light occurs in the concave, means that is called as concave. The reflection of light occurs. This is the basic concept, and that important concept also, convex and concave mirror details. Okay, how the laws of reflection also important. Okay, so and next one is with the help of the simulation, what are the different kinds of medium, how the light is passed, how the light is reflected in that place also we learn that. Okay, students, just you go through that part. Any doubt means definitely we will discuss in next class. Thank you, students. Jai Vidya Shakti. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.
Thank you.